once again to TSM TV. We are here live with Mbuze Nongwe. He will be introducing himself officially with his full regalia after my introduction. We are going around talking to people who are stakeholders, who are committed members of the All Progressive Brand Alliance, APGA. We know that APGA is going to be holding its primaries to nominate or to select the flag bearer for the forthcoming November 6th election. And we are here live talking to people to find out who they wish that the party will nominate to fly the flag and bear the name APGA in the election. Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Could you tell us in full who you are?
Yes, I'm Prince Ikechukwu Henry Ndibe. People acknowledge and appreciate me with my title, Mbuzoka.
Mbuzoka.
And which is registered. I am the CEO of Mbuzoka Global Resources Limited and the coordinator, Soludo Solutions 2021, Awka South Local Government.
Awka South Coordinator Solution 2021, Soludo Solution 2021.
Yeah.
That's one of the groups that's routing for Soludo to become governor. And these groups, most of them have been there for about 2 years. And we've been doing a lot to arouse or to rouse that followership for Soludo. Tell us a few things in one jiffy, what the Soludo Solution 2021 have done so far within these 2 years to call for Professor Chuma Soludo to come run for the governorship of Anambra State.
Yes, the group have done much in the sense of we've been trying our best, asking Soludo to come out. He wasn't showing interest initially. But we are the people, the support group that went to him, pleaded to him, come out, come and carry this flag, come and continue from where the governor, His Excellency Willie Obiano, have or is about to stop. Because he's still on process, his continuity, he still have a lot of time to go. He's leaving the seat 2022. So we pray, and we pray to him, ask him, Chief Charles Soludo, come out. He said, well, he's looking into one or two sides, he doesn't know this. We say, come out, we'll be doing that till the day comes. And now the day has come. We have a lot of support groups, which are almost collapsed to all Soludo support group now, ASG, which is comprises of all the Soludo support group. Every local government have that. They've tried their best. They've done their best. The enthusiasm to work for Soludo is not an easy thing. So we call on him. He came. Now he went to the platform of APGA, and by the special grace of God, you see, Igbo said that in a long way. We don't need to go too further because everybody knows what Soludo is capable of doing. Everybody knows who Soludo is. His profile tells for himself. So I can't just start telling you about his profile when we know who he is and what he's capable of doing. All I will tell people that go back and see his profile, then you know if the card fits him to be the governor of Anambra State. Now, in that sense, he's out. And we are calling on everybody who is an APGA faithful. We have done the job. All of us are APGA members. Apart from the support groups, we are APGA members. We are stakeholders. I'm a stakeholder in Ward 1. Here in Ame, the most stubborn ward. Ward 1. Number one. And we've been doing our best in my polling unit, my own personal polling unit, 009 and 0010. I'm unbeatable. So I know by the special grace of God, I will retain that power.
That's right.
And that is why we come out, we interact, we chat with people, we put in our finances to make sure he's there. Because if he's there, it takes two to tango.
That's right.
And I believe things will go on.
Okay, now everybody, the routing for Soludo, the followership is overwhelming. Everywhere you turn, everywhere you go, everybody is saying Soludo, Soludo. In your own capacity, what are your expectations? The things you know Soludo will do that will be different from maybe what other people have done. What are your expectations?
Well, you see, if someone is coming to this level to to go. Everybody, every delegate from Ward 1 in Oka South to the 20 wards I have, everywhere they are okay. The 9 communities. They are all there for Soludo. They are all there for Soludo. So I don't want us to, because you know when you speak much in this manner, people will go there to see or use all possible means to seduce them, to give them money,
right,
to canvass them. So all we need to do, all I know, me wearing this, I live and die for Abga and Soludo by special grace of God.
Wonderful.
We are not political prostitutes.
Wonderful.
We stand firm in everywhere we are.
Mbuze,
yes, thank you very much.
That's the way it is today. Mbuze has said it all. Everybody who is somebody in Anambra State today, especially members of the All Progressive Grand Alliance, everybody is saying the same thing. If it's not Soludo, it is Soludo.
No governor.
If it is not Soludo, no
governor. Soludo is there for continuity.
Stay with us on TSM. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back with more interviews, with more dignitaries, with more men and women saying the same thing. It must be Soludo. It is his time. The zoning favors him, the time favors him, the situation favors him, and Anambra wants him.
You need him.
I still remain your host, Comrade Oramali Emmanuel. Don't go anywhere. Follow us on all our social media handles and you'll be glad you did. Download our app on the Google Play Store, The Solution Magazine. You'll be glad you did, because that's where we talk every day about what's happening in the polity and especially what the Soludo brand is doing. God bless you. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back. Thank you, Mbuze.
You are welcome. You are welcome.
Thank you, sir.
I appreciate it.
Thank you, sir.